sometimes doesn't work. Somebody hasn't been doing much work, have they?
What do you mean?
This one.
I'm grafting.
Grafting. What are you grafting with?
I am grafting.
I can see that you've got spanners close to that paint.
I know.
We did that. You moaned at me for that.
I didn't look at this when we prepped this engine to go in the bike. Of all the things we did, and it's something I really should have done. So, you see the bottom of this one?
Yeah.
So it's got a little hex in the end. And see how shiny it is?
Yeah.
That gives you a nice clue that this has been replaced.
Right.
And so has the other side on the bottom. For whatever reason, whoever did the replacement studs on the bottom, they did not replace the top ones. And if I can get this one done. That's going to be a fight. Two seconds caller. You'll be able to see in a moment. You won't be able to see.
Do, 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 do. Sometime later.
Oh, she's a YouTuber, definitely. She knows all the transitions. I'll use pliers because I know these aren't going back in. That was the caveat for don't berate me in the comments. Because this is going to run today, isn't it? In some fashion.
You might run away crying when you butchered it. I don't think any of this footage is going in, is it?
Absolutely is.
No, it's not. You'll cut all this out and you'll make it look like you just twiddled it open nice and easy as you do.
No, because the point.
If you want to see how the workshop actually runs, join one of our lives.
See that? How bad that is?
Yeah, that's good.
All the missing threads.
Yeah.
So I thought, I don't want to try and put the exhaust on with the fresh gaskets, line all that up, and then snap one of these. So the best thing to do is take those out, and I think the ones in Jules' engine, I haven't checked yet, so you could have a look for me. I think they are better. Don't shake your head. Get over there and check them.
Yeah, these ones are loads better.
Yeah? You sure?
Well, I think I'm at the wrong side. Personally, I think you need the other side of this engine.
What do you mean the other side?
I think I'm looking at the back of the engine here. This stud. So I think you need to look at the other side.
Where does the exhaust go?
What do you mean? The exhaust doesn't go here. That's where that carb thing is, isn't it?
No.
Here on this circle.
Yes.
Is that a circle at the front?
Yes.
Oh, I thought that circle was
Can we
for the
take
carb.
that footage out,
Yeah.
motorcycle rider?
Yeah, no, this one's great then. Use that.
That world's better, is it? These are better.
I told you they were.
I got one.
I looked at that.
So.
I assessed the situation.
Come hither.
I'm gone.
Horse.
Busy tucking myself back together.
You're having a dilemma, aren't you?
A dilemma.
Finding somewhere to stay.
Oh yeah, we were thinking of going away for a night, but it's proving too much headache.
We might camp down here instead.
Well, for some of the things we've just seen on Airbnb, for somebody that really likes motorbikes and the smell of oil, we could put a bed in here. Have you got any black paint that would touch up these bits?
Yeah.
Are we doing that?
We can do that. Okay.
Tick, tick.
Spanner, please.
Ill-equipped again. What spanner do you want?
13mm. 2mm got out, I think. For once. Okay, so you should be able to see at this point. I can hold that. Yeah.
You slipped by that fresh paint.
One shiny, well, say shiny. One repurposed stud.
There we go.
Okay, I'll get the other one. You carry on shopping. You have to remember to take this out.
Have you done that on this side?
No, go on.
So it just got the one bit in?
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was ready.
One for you.
Thanks. One we painted earlier.
Yeah. At the top. One there somewhere.
You've made it smell lovely in here now, haven't you?
Oh yes, lots of paint going on and
Carb cleaner and fire.
yep.
We've all got a headache.
One. How many cop washers?
2.
Is that a bit mean?
But Triumph Bonneville Adventures only has 1.
Sorry, David.
Shouldn't laugh. You lost an entire day to wondering where that copper washer had gone.
I did. Not even my bike. Okay, one there. Yep. One there. Make a lot of those sorts of noises.
Yeah, but it's keeping you supple and nimble, I've just been thinking, as you've just done that and sat cross-legged on the floor.
Is it?
To be nearly 40 and still be able to sit cross-legged, I think that's pretty good going.
Yeah, my dad couldn't do this at 40. I think my dad could do this at 35.
We're on the other side.
Yep. Check you out, just standing up just like that then.
I can. My joints do that. You wouldn't have thought it after the weekend I had, but my joints do that.
You was a dancing party.
I was camping. It's the camping that broke me. Not built for camping anymore. I'm not sure I ever was, but definitely not now.
How's that?
Like a glove.
Yeah. You feel like it's getting more like a motorbike?
Looks like a bike. Does it sound like a bike?
Are we going to find out? $30.
30.
30.
30.
And the other one's 45.
Yep. That's what the book said. Read the book. That's what the book said.
Try and get in there. 45. Yeah?
Yeah. I was having a yawn. Wait for me.
God, that's tight.
There you go, muscles.
45. And we do the same to the bottom. I'm under the cosh.
Against the clock. 45 minutes.
So as you've just seen, we've got oil pressure. It
Yeah.
cranks. It does the do.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do is pull the tank off. If I can rig up the temporary one, I will. Don't know if I'm going to be able to get onto that fuel line. If not, we're going to drain some fuel out of this tank and see how bad it is.
Yes. Because this, from Vince, was one of those things that we never knew we needed in our life until we've had it, and we've used it loads. What have you just dripped? That's fuel.
Yeah, the tap's got a bit of a weep. Oh, it
Why
doesn't-
am I now a person that sticks my finger in stuff?
Oh, I should be somebody who tastes it next.
Come on, pull.
Just pull.
Just pull. There you go.
Ah.
What you found?
Got a little filter. Which, see how much crud's in there?
Oh.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's going to want some cleaning.
Have you got to put the exhaust pipes on?
No.
Oh.
Not for it to make a noise. And it ain't going to fit on there either. That's unhelpful.
What?
The fuel line is too small.
Oh no! Put something wider on the end of there.
Genius. The wife is a genius.
Oh, the look on your... Don't rub your eye like I make it twitch.
9 years in. I can't believe you actually just said that to me.
I just found a solution to your problem.
Did you?
Yes.
Put something wider on there.
Are you going to put that on there and then put the end of that in a funnel?
I am, yeah.
I knew this was coming.
Here he is, look. Temporary fuel line.
So why can't you then put Vince's thing in the end of there?
You probably could, actually.
There you go. There you go. The brains are working. The brains, they're functioning, aren't they?
They haven't been.
They haven't been, but they are.
For days.
They're functioning. Brains are functioning.
So he was down in there, wasn't he?
Yeah. Have you cleaned him out?
You just watched me do it.
I didn't watch you. I didn't know that's what was happening.
No, was you too busy being an influencer in the wild? What do you think?
I'm hopeful. Really hopeful.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you think the door's open?
It's like cracked, isn't it? Ready?
Ready. What, a wedding anniversary?
Smell of fuel. You smell the fuel.
This whole room stinks.
We need to get out of here, but...
Need to open the door.
It starts, it runs, it lives, there's not fluids all over the floor, it's smoked because the paint's all burning.
Yeah, because it's just all fresh and it's all been sat for such a long time.
But those carbs seem happy-ish. We'll get a proper balance on them. We need to do the throttle position sensor, truly balance the carbs.
And put the exhausts back on properly.
And we need to drain that tank of whatever's living in there.
Yeah, and maybe clear it out.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are on towards Bonnie being done.
So I'm hoping in the next video, which unfortunately will be in a number of weeks' time because I'm going away.
Well, we don't know if we've got time on Monday. Like if
Yeah,
you're going away Tuesday, aren't you? Today is Friday.
Yes.
If we have time over the next few days in the prep to you going away to get the bits done, we'll have a go. See if
Yeah,
we
we'll
can
definitely
carry
film
on.
them. Whether they end up in a video or not, and whether that goes into the MOT video
Yeah.
or not, but we'll see.
Yeah, if not, you might get like Mally footage or me riding about footage.
Yeah.
You could get anything next week.
It's all random for the next couple of weeks, but yeah.
But yeah,
I think we
well
achieved the
done.
thing.
Yeah. Hit like, hit subscribe, follow us for more shenanigans.
Buy coffees,
Buy
buy
coffees,
stickers.
buy stickers.
Thank you to everybody that has bought stickers. You've
Yes,
been posting.
and just thank you to all the nice comments. I mean, we
Yeah.
hit 15,000 subscribers this week, and all the comments for that have been absolutely phenomenal. Yeah, really nice comments as well about the last video with Mr. Dobbs, which is always a treat.
I was wondering, do you think that deserves half a bell? That's like a full bell. But...
Wasn't. You wait till it's a full bell.
Okay.
You wait till I ring that as a full bell.
Okay. But yeah, it lives, and there's still no puddle on the floor.
No.
So we will see you in the next one.
See you later.